Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect a Windows 11 VM or virtual machine that's installed on VMware Workstation to the Wi-Fi network. Now, there's a few settings we have to look at or change in order to connect it to the Wi-Fi network. Now, we'll need to know the name of the Wi-Fi interface or adapter. There's two ways we can check that. Down here at the bottom right, if you right click on this Wi-Fi icon and then click on Network and Internet Settings, you'll see the name of your Wi-Fi and then it's going to say Wi-Fi here. If you click on this arrow here, you have this Properties option. Click on that arrow and then scroll down. You see where it says Description. This is the name of the Wi-Fi interface. So this is what we need. So this one is Intel R Wi-Fi 6 AX200. So that's one way to check it. You can also use your control panel. We can search for it here. And then go to Network and Internet. And then go to Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Here you'll see all the interfaces. Some of them are physical interfaces, some of them are virtual. Like these ones that say VMware Network Adapter, those are virtual interfaces. Now you want to look at the one that says Wi-Fi. There it is. You'll see the name of your Wi-Fi, and then you'll see the actual interface name. As you can see, it's the same name, Intel R Wi-Fi 6. Once you've determined the name, we'll go to VMware Workstation and make changes there. So this is the VMware Workstation. We can look at the version. You can click on Help, then About VMware Workstation. So the version I'm running is 17.5.2. Okay, so click on Edit on your menu, and then go to Virtual Network Editor. So this is the Virtual Network Editor here, this window. You'll need to click on Change Settings. Click Yes. I might have to click on it here. Now you want to make sure under the one that says Bridged, the one that has the type as Bridged, is also going to be shown here. The external connection, you want to make sure you select that name that we just determined is the name of the Wi-Fi. So you see there's all those interfaces that we saw. So you want to make sure that you have the one for the Wi-Fi selected. So as you can see, there's different ones that say Wi-Fi. There's this one here, Microsoft Wi-Fi, Microsoft Wi-Fi. So just make sure you're selecting this one here, the Intel R Wi-Fi 6. It should be the one that's showing here. So I'm just going to cancel this because I'm not making the changes. Once you've made your changes, just click OK and then apply. Okay, with that done, now go to your virtual machine, right click on it and go to Settings. Then under Network Adapter, make sure you have Bridged selected as your network connection type. Okay, now with that done, we'll power on this virtual machine. We'll verify that we have a valid IP, and then we'll also verify that it's on the same subnet as our host machine, because we want this machine to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the host machine. Now my host machine is also a Windows 11 device, and I can do CMD. I can open the command prompt. I'll do IP config. So this is the wireless LAN adapter for Wi-Fi. This is the IP right here, 192.168.1.120, and it's a /24, the subnet mask. Okay, we just want to make sure that once we check the IP address for a Windows 11 virtual machine, it should have an IP that starts with 192.168.1. So let's go ahead and power on this virtual machine, and then we'll also verify that we have internet access. Alright, so this is our virtual machine. Let's go ahead and log in here. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the command prompt. There's different ways you can check your IP, but I'll just use the command prompt here. Okay, now I'll just run ipconfig, and we're seeing the IP address we have is 192.168.1.112, which is on the same subnet as this one, but this one is 120 and this one is 112. The gateway is the same, it's .1 for both of them. .1. Once you've done that, then to check if you have internet connectivity, you can ping. Let's go ahead and ping google.com. Let's try this again. Ping Google. And I'm able to ping google.com. That means I have internet connectivity. You can also verify that your DNS is working. You can do ns lookup google.com. So this is my DNS right here, 8.8.8, and I was able to translate google.com to these two IP addresses. This is an IPv6 address, and this is the IPv4 address. You can also use your browser and navigate to a site. And you verify that you have internet connectivity. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect your Windows 11 VM that's running on VMware Workstation to your Wi-Fi network. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.